Eid in advance. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Tanusree. If you are my existing subscribers, then thank you for subscribing me, and those who are not subscribing yet, then please do subscribe, and beside the subscribe button click on the bell icon. Today I will show you Eid makeup look which I create today. This is very glamorous and minimal also, because in this summer put so much makeup on face that melts and it's very irritates also sometimes, and due to this days so much makeup and then wear a mask and go outside, it's very annoying. So I keep it very minimal and summer friendly. Before I start doing makeup, I already prep my face with my skin routine that already on my channel. If you really want to know how I prep my skin before makeup, please do check my other videos. I put the link in the description box and also mention on my I button. So if you really want to know, then please go there and check it. I want to say you something, that this saree is black and I match this saree with the green blouse, but on camera it's seen a blue. That sucks really. I really don't like what really comes out, but hopefully I don't have any option. I'm very upset for this combination, but what to do, I don't have another option. Okay, let's see what happened after doing my makeup, that adjust this combinations or not, I don't know. Let's jump into the video. I use primer. This is Blue Heaven makeup primer, oil free. I put all the product details in the description box. For color correcting, I'm using L.A Girl PRO in the shade Nutmeg, dotted on my pigmented zone. Then I'm using Lakme foundation, shade 10. After this, I'm using Swiss Beauty concealer. Now I fill my brow. For my eyeshadow, I'm using Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. Take a darker green shade and apply on the center of my eyelid. Then taking a lighter green shade and apply and blend with dark green color. In the outer corner, using a dark brown color and blend all the colors smoothly. We take a white shade and apply in the inner corner of the eyes. This is how it looks. Now I curl my lashes and put on mascara. Already you can see the difference. I'm not using any liner. If you want, you can, but basically I'm a mess on doing eyeliner, so I skip eyeliner all the time. I always skip it. If you really a pro in it, then please do, and I always skip, because I basically I don't want to look messy on camera. And by the way, I love mascara because it's lifted my my eyelashes, and I look pretty when I put on mascara. My eyes are looking pretty, so why not? I forgot to apply eyeshadow on my lower lash, so I quickly do that. For that, I'm using the same green eyeshadow and put same green eyeshadow and put on my For blush, I'm using this Blue Heaven Shimmer blush in the shade number is 801. For my lips, I'm using this two lipstick. Lastly, apply highlighter. This is my final look. I hope you really like this video. If you really like this video, then please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay then, see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.